Right, for those of you that might be interested, I've nearly finished rewiring and sorting out the micro shack. So, final setup then. Got a little network of radios. That's a DMR Y4FM, standard PMR. What do we got here? We've got a little iPad there, just for general sort of surfing. DVM connection there. Retro games. Zello. 2 meters, 70 sems radios. Currently sitting at around about 12.5 volts, running 240 volts into the shed from solar. Got a couple of matches there and SWA meters. Frequency list. Latest edition, Anytone CB radio and 10 meter radio. Like I say, that's me little retro games. I've got all my storage down the bottom and at the top. Solar charger, currently charging, topping up batteries. Keyboard for an amplifier, just to practice on. That's a bit of retro stuff going on there. Party speaker. A few more bits and bobs, and of course a mini bar. All contained in a little lumpy metal shed with a couple of solar panels on top. It's not even sunny. It's currently around about, I don't know, 6 o'clock. Batteries contained under that compartment there. 5 AGM batteries, 12 volt batteries. So this is it, folks. This is it. Let me know what you think.